Well, welcome back to Expert Crypto. I'm going to be going over exactly what the heck you guys need to do and what the heck I'm doing. This is going to be one of those times where you guys look at some certain people, some certain groups, and you're kind of like, what the heck is going on? I understand your troubles. I understand your worries. I'm going to give you guys my exact opinion and exactly what I'm doing. I got some good sleep last night, just to let you guys know. So I might be going all night tonight. We'll have to see exactly where things are headed. I feel a crypto 24 hours straight kind of coming out right now. Going to be very important tomorrow. Tomorrow is 420 for any of you guys that are ready for 420. Good for you guys. You guys get your token on, but I'm gonna get my tokens on. Pun intended. Okay, we're gonna talk about a lot of stuff tonight. I'm probably gonna go over hundreds of coins, a lot of important stuff that you guys are gonna want to hear. We got SafeMoon, we got Doge Coin, and most importantly, we got to talk about the meme coins, guys. What have I been doing with the meme coins? I'll tell you one thing, and one thing for sure. I've been banking off these meme coins, and it's scaring a lot of people away. These meme coins are scaring a lot of people away from crypto, and that's the last thing you want to see. But this is going to cause a meme drought, I feel like, in crypto, just because these people that want to get in, these big boys, these big dogs, these billionaires are like, why the heck is Dogecoin at number 5 right now? Why the heck? And I feel like this is going to scare a lot of people away. They see these dips, and this is just the last time you guys wanted to see these dips, because things were looking very bullish. Now we might, wait, I believe probably another week or two before this really gets interesting with these other altcoins. At the minimum, we just need to really see how this Doge effect is going to be having on the entire market. So thank you, Doge holders. All right, you guys are giving us some dips, but at the same time, you guys are going to be scaring away a lot of people probably for the next year that we're trying to get into this. I wouldn't say year. That's too much. We're going to need to see. I have a lot of opinions on these meme coins, and if you guys are sick of these meme coins, okay, well, it's something you guys really need to take in consideration, because these meme coins are affecting the entire market. All right, they really are. This is something that I've really never seen happen, but I kind of predicted that this would happen just based off of psychology and what happened with GameStop. You guys are seeing it happen full force in crypto because there's really no barriers. There's no blocks that they can put on crypto. But let's go, guys. 420 stream. I know a lot of you memers like the 420. So this is going to be a late at night stream, so I'm gonna be a little different on this one. If I go 6 or 7 hours, it's gonna get a little ugly with my talking. So heads up, guys. So we got Dogecoin, guys, almost at $4 or 40 cents. 42 cents is definitely reachable for them, especially during this 420 type of season that we're gonna be in. This is one of the biggest things you guys got to watch out on, is definitely what's going to happen to Dogecoin the next 2 days. I never thought I would be saying this. The biggest thing we're going to have to watch out for is Dogecoin, but it is certainly something, all right? Well, the amount of money that is in Dogecoin right now is absolutely insane, and this is affecting the entirety of the market. You would normally be seeing a massive pump today, but most money is scared. Most money is sitting in Tether. Most money is sitting in stable coins, just because of exactly this meme coin pumping. People are like, what the actual heck is going on right now? Anyone that's even been in crypto for longer than 2 or 3 years, 4 years, you guys have never seen this. You've never seen a Doge pump so high. You've never seen a Doge go to the moon. And you know what? It's the time we live in. It's the memes we live in. Memes are king. Hype is king. And it's something that you have to adapt to if you guys are trying to make some extra gains. But if you're not trying to adapt to this, you guys could just hodl through the storm. I promise things will get better. Things will get better. Things will get better. I keep telling myself that, but then yet again, I'm going into these turd coins full force. I have been for the past week. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I really have made so much money off of SafeMoon, Safe Mars, anything with Moon and Safe that's trending. I've been trying to really be aggressive on those, just because I'm not promoting it, but I'm just saying this is a great time to make gains off of these people that just invest based off of hype. I know it's something that you guys don't like to hear. A lot of you, it's against my moral code, my moral dignity as a crypto connoisseur. But sometimes you got to do what you got to do to get gains in this type of season that we're in. And you guys are just seeing something that is absolutely once in a lifetime for sure. I don't get. All right, so the thing that we got to talk about is when is this going to stop? When is Dogecoin going to actually stop? We thought it died off a bit. You know, you guys, we all had those feelings like, oh yeah, Dogecoin died off. It's gone. It's unfathomable for it to pump up more than it did, right? No, it's not. All right, so we have multiple platforms that are allowing Doge to be traded that are normally just for stocks and this other stuff. So you have to realize that these people have no idea what the heck a crypto is. They think crypto is just some genie in a bottle and you rub it and it goes up. But this is the thing, okay? If you guys get a bunch of idiots, a bunch of millions and millions of people that their first crypto they ever bought was Dogecoin, because you guys can simply turn your fiat into crypto via Robinhood or via whatever, they're going to do it and they're going to put it in the Dogecoin and they're going to pray that it goes up from 420 cents to whatever, or 42 cents to 840 cents or $1. And you're going to see a lot of these people getting into it today and tomorrow. But the hype is really there, right? So these chads, these apes, these gorillas, they're just sitting there right now and they're like, how do I turn my money into Doge? How does one get Doge? And you guys are seeing it happen before your eyes. And this is something that I really need to do a big rant on, guys. I really need to do a big rant on this because I've been abusing you guys. I haven't given you my full opinion on this, and it's something that's really eating away at me right now. This is just one of those things where you guys are not going to see this ever again. All right, you're not going to see something this big, this colossus happen. It's absolutely insane. I'm gonna go over some meme coins. All right, we're doing it. I'm going over meme coins. I said I wasn't, but you know what? I am. I'm gonna start off first with Doge. Doge is the meme coin that I made the most gains off of, just off of leverage trading them. There's certain ways you guys can go about it. I'm gonna give you guys what I'm doing. I'm gonna be completely honest. So basically, there's these certain you could even find. I'm sure there's an application online if you guys search Google trending application. Okay, blah 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 blah. You guys go and find out what's trending via internet, and you guys can find out how much something is trending per day. You can make the graphs, you can make the analytics, and what you have to do with Dogecoin, you got to find out how much is it trending today. What price is it at right now? How much percent is it going up daily? You do the math and you figure out, oh, it went up 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, right? It's on a bullish trend, okay? And these chads are finally switching over their money to fiat. They're getting their money ready to buy the Dogecoin. They're downloading Robinhood. They're getting in there, all right? And before they get in there, these whales already see this trend line going up, and they're like, "All right, I'm getting ready to eat, guys. I got my 10x leverage trade in. I got my $1 million or my $10 million 10x. They got that 100 million in, guys. I'm waiting for these krill to come in. 420, guys. 420 krill, come on." And you see this, these people rush in, and you have these whales that are just waiting underneath them. They're going to eat the majority of these chads or these jakes or whatever you want to call them that buy in, downloaded Robinhood last night, put their grandma's money into it. And this is what you guys see right here. And there's going to be a massive sell off, but I would not be surprised to find out that Doge right now is the price is probably 3 to 4x leverage. In my opinion, there's been people that I know who have had leverage trades for over the course of when it dropped, and they're still holding it. They're waiting for it to get to around 70 cents, and then they're gonna cash in that ticket. And it's kind of funny. These people they're just predicting psychology. And to predict psychology with meme coins is one of the biggest things to know in crypto right now. It's insane, guys. It's insane. There's literally billionaires being bored on a Dogecoin just by leverage trading it once the hype was down from last time. And there's a lot of people that are going to make a lot of money, but in reality, there's going to be more people that lose money from these meme coins. That's how it works. You guys got to figure out how to get ahead of, I guess you guys could say the Chads, the grandma stealing and Robin Hood downloading type of individuals. So we're gonna get some meme coins down in this episode, but like I said, I would really not be surprised if Dogecoin right now is its price is at 2x leverage, meaning that the majority of people are leverage trading this by a factor of 2x. So the price in reality is around 19 cents instead of 38. I've done a lot of research on why I believe that, and this is a very intense type of thing to be saying. You don't see anything that's at 2x leverage ever, guys. You don't see anything that's at 2x leverage ever. All right, you don't see it. Okay, you don't see it. And the reason you don't is because this is a meme coin. This is just people that are literally going to be eating these individuals up just because they know that they're going to FOMO into it, because they know that people are dumb enough to fall for their trap, which is the trap of hype. And that's what we're going to be talking about. All right. So what meme coins do you guys want to see next? I'm going to go Safe Moon. All right. We're going to go Safe Moon and then Safe Mars. I've been pretty successful with Safe Moon. I kind of got out a little bit early on my first go around on it. I got like 12x still on it, but I consider 12x pretty not that good for Safe Moon. But it is a hyped up coin, guys. It really is. And Safe Moon to me is the all right, let me go over exactly what they're coming out with. All right, I'm gonna dive deep into the Safe Moon. Okay, you guys are gonna get my full opinion on every single thing. I'm not letting anything hold back except for the curse words. All right, I would normally be cursing, guys. I don't curse too much, but when it comes to these meme coins, it comes to these meme coins. All right, thank you guy on Telegram for sending me that. Join my Telegram if you guys haven't. This is where we talk about these meme coins. Oh, we're gonna go over the good stuff. All right, guys. It's just there's no reason right now for us to go over exactly what I'm talking about. All right, I mean exactly the good stuff until I finish these meme coins. Just because the good stuff that's on dips right now, UBX, VRA, ER, basically everything that I've talked about in my life is on a dip right now just because of these meme coins. So you guys go ahead, dollar cost average, buy into it. I'm gonna talk about the meme coins because if I talk about one thing, the other people are gonna be like, oh no, talk about the meme coins, talk about the meme coins, and then I'm gonna get, oh no, talk about both. All right, we're gonna talk about the meme coins first. All right. So sorry about raging there a little bit. So we got upcoming Safe Moon Catalyst by Jim or JJM Resurrected. Okay, we got a cricket audit. All right, so what the heck is a cricket audit? You're probably asking yourself, I don't know what a cricket audit is, all right? What does it do? Well, first of all, it literally means absolutely nothing, all right? So don't think it's something that's big. This is nothing, all right? Then we got number two exchanges bigger than Bitmart and White Bit imminent. That could be big, guys. Really, that could be big, believe it or not. But I don't see a lot of people on those on that have Bitmart and Whitebit are not already going to be FOMOing into Safe Moon, because you'll find a way. You can find a way to switch over your money. You can find a way to be able to buy something like Safe Moon. All right, that's the one thing with Dogecoin is Dogecoin was able to be bought in Robinhood. That changed up the entire game, because now these jakes, these grandma stealing credit cards, the little individuals were able to buy their Dogecoin with their mom's credit card, and you can't see that with this. So the one thing with me is I really do see that number two thing not doing anything, that number one thing not doing anything. Number three, our new announcement that will give us heart attacks, Operation Phoenix, that's not going to do anything. 4, Sunday MAA, not going to do anything. Satoshi MAA, not going to do anything. Miami Crypto Hackathon, not going to do anything for the price. They're not bringing in any money, guys. Sending a Safe Moon wallet into space, that's literally the stupidest thing I have ever heard. But this is 14 things that is not going to do anything for the company. All right, you guys get it. All right, it's just BS, okay? It's BS. But yet again, people buy this stuff. People buy it up, and you want to know what you guys got to do? You guys got to get in before the hype. You guys got to find out how much is it trending today. What's the percent of it trending today? And then you guys can make money off of these turd coins, all right? So I'm not going to get too much deeper into it, but up safe 85%. So let's just go over some stuff in a dip. That are great buys right now. That really shouldn't be. They really shouldn't be buys right now. I can't talk about it too much. Why is UBX on a 30% dip? Why is this one not already 10x'd from where it's at? I don't know, but I'm buying more, and I bought some more before the stream started. So if you guys want to get this UBX party started, it has already happened, guys. UBX down 30%. What? This is literally like the easiest 10 to 20x you guys can buy on the market these days. This is literally just from the dip, and then this is from the Doge dip, all right? Or the Doge pump dip, all right? So this is one of those things where you look at it and you're like, did something happen? Did they pull the rug? Because why should there be a 30% dip in UBX, right? I don't know, guys. I don't know, man. Maybe these people are trying to get these quick gains in SafeMoon and Doge. Because I do know a lot of people, right? It came down to the fact was there's a lot of people that are like, oh, meme coins. I didn't get in on them earlier. You know, I wasn't reading the psychology. I was more focused on the good projects. I didn't think meme coins were going to get this big. And then what happens is you see these people, you see these whales. They're like, I want to eat these krill guys. I want to eat these guys who just downloaded Robinhood and putting their money into it. You know, I want to eat these guys. And now you're seeing a lot of whales pull out their money. They're either putting it into Tether or they're putting it into USDC, whatever it is, stable coins, because they know that this dip is imminent because of these people are putting their money into Dogecoin. They're putting it into SafeMoon. They're putting it into Mars space or whatever it is because they want to get in on these gains. They want these 800% days. They want these 400% days. They want these 200% days. You guys have never seen this in crypto. I've never seen this in crypto. I've never seen anything go up 400 or 500% in a day. I've never made a 400 to 500% in a day off of a safe Mars or whatever it is, okay? It's absolutely crazy. VRA down 22% today. Why is it down 22% today? Because the whales are pulling out their millions and millions of dollars that are in VRA to get into these SafeMoon 200% in a day, because they know these people who do not know anything about crypto. What are they gonna do? SafeMoon, man, let me get some SafeMoon. Like I'm gonna get 400% in a day, man. I know what's happening, and they're gonna buy into SafeMoon. And you want to know what's gonna happen? They're gonna get eaten up, guys. They're gonna get eaten up. Happens every single day. It still happened today. And you want to know what? They taste really good, guys. They taste like gains. Okay. Yeah, sold my kids Xmas gifts for more SafeMoon, guys. I love that comment, all right? Let's get some jokes going in the comments, all right? Who can make the best memes right now? That's the real question. We got to laugh this off because I know a lot of you guys are hurt right now. A lot of you guys are down because you're invested in good projects and they're going down right now. And it's all due to these kids who are selling, or these dads who are selling their kids gifts for SafeMoon. Let's be honest, all right? We can make some memes out of it. Have a little laugh about it. Your cryptos are going to go up, everyone. They're going to go up. If you have extra money, you guys might as well sell the whole farm to buy some on this dip because this is unbelievable. I'm kind of happy about it, but at the same time I'm a little hurt because yes, I've been making a lot of gains. Actually, I made it the most gains I have ever made off of just simply buying and holding and doing this type of trading and leverage trading Dogecoin than I ever have. But at the same time, I feel so bad about it because it's such a messed up situation that we're in right now. I know so many people with millions and millions and millions of dollars leverage trading Dogecoin, billions probably with 10x or 20x leverage, billions of dollars are leverage trading Dogecoin. Just saying. You guys would be surprised. So we got VRA on a dip. What is VRA doing down here, guys? Let's be honest. What is VRA doing down here? All right, you do not see VRA going down to this. This is just horrendous. I mean, this is beautiful at the same time. You guys know what I mean. If you know me, this is going to $1. Look, it's about to be a 30x in a few moments if these whales keep pulling out of here. We're about to see a 30x VRA. Stake that, get 20%. Do the math. That's probably around that's a 36x for you guys. 36x for VRA by the end of the year. Who's not buying this? If you're not buying this, you are obviously trying to get these quick gains. You better get out and at least put some of them into VRA, okay? I know it's 420. I know you guys want to smoke the reefer and buy the Doge, but this isn't what this stream's about, okay? Yeah, Cardano, guys. We're going to buy some Cardano tonight. Cardano is almost down to 115, guys. You could buy some Cardano. Not. Yeah, Solana's still down 4%. When I saw Solana going down after it was up almost like 20%, right? I figured I'm just gonna cut the cheese right here, okay, guys? I don't get it, all right? I do get it, but I don't. At the same time, I understand the psychology. I understand the hurt. I understand the struggle. I understand the financial ruin some of you guys think you're in. But this is all due to these. Bro, okay, so we are overpopulated with apes, okay? This is the problem. We have so many apes that they are literally taking down the entire market, okay? So many apes are getting into these coins that they're affecting the whole market. I didn't think this was possible, guys. Congratulations, okay? We've made it. All right, we've made it. Planet of the Apes is happening, all right? You guys are in, we're in like episode 14 right now, all right? And it's been going strong for the past like 2 weeks, okay? This is Planet of the Apes, all right? Welcome to Planet of the Apes, guys. Happy to have you here. All right? So we have, yeah, you're sending Doge Coin, all right? Thank you for the $5, man. I'm gonna go put that in the Doge Coin, turn it into $50, all right? Ugh. All right. Thoughts on Bitboy Crypto, the largest crypto channel on YouTube. All right, let me tell you guys something about crypto. Our Bitboy Crypto. All right, 2 years ago he was selling football tickets. All right, he was a football ticket salesman. One of the best jobs to learn about crypto. All right, he's been doing crypto and selling football tickets. That's a great type of forte to get into. Especially you learn a lot about crypto selling football tickets. You learn a lot about how you could sell those market ciphers. That's a great job to get into. I don't know how he's the biggest because he was selling football tickets, but let's not talk about it, all right? All right, you guys, I'm not reading your comments, okay? So, you guys want to know how to make the most money on Dogecoin, all right? Let's get into it, okay? So, what you guys have to do, all right? I honestly think this Doge hype is going to happen over and over. I've been really trying to process this. I've spent hours on this, okay? I've been looking at Dogecoin. I've been looking at SafeMoon for hours just because a lot of other people are doing it, and this is how people are going to make a lot of money in the future. There's so many Jakes, okay? There's so many Jakes. There's just so many Jakes out there. There's so many. You guys already get the point. These people are pawning their kids off at the local pawn shop. They're like, I got to get all of these meme coins before they pump. And you guys are going to see so much meme coin pumpage. This is just the beginning. I'm telling you, this is just the beginning, guys. And this is bringing down the entire market. And if someone's ignoring it, if your crypto YouTubers aren't talking about it, want to know why? Because they're lost in the sauce. They don't understand what's happening. I'm looking at crypto at a whole picture, right? You guys got to look at crypto, not just your individual coins. You guys got to look at the entire market in general if you want to be successful in cryptocurrency in general, all right? So if you look at the whole entire market, right? Bitcoin dropped, everything started to lead back up, and then there was over $40 billion that was coming in and out of Dogecoin in that time, and a lot of it went back into Tether, a lot of it went back into USDC, a lot of these went into stable coins, right? So what you're seeing, people took out profits out of Dogecoin, and they either are leverage trading them now or more people got in, but they're almost looking like they're afraid to invest. They're afraid of this dip, and I might be afraid of a little bit larger dip on a lot of these. I bought more. I still have around 20% stable coins. I was able to buy around 10% more due to my Dogecoin trade, which was actually very close to being liquidated. It was a very risky trade. I kind of did some stuff that I wouldn't think I would be doing ever in my life, but because of the time we're in, I hit the 10x leverage on Doge with a sizable amount of money, and I was in a bad time right there, all right? It was on the 6-hour live stream. I was trying to live stream. I was trying to talk to you guys. I was trying to have a good time. And I was literally sitting there reevaluating my life because I was leverage trading Dogecoin with so much money. And it ended up paying out, guys. I actually pulled out around 40 cents. So we are going to be able to hit 420 likes for this video. All right, we have 428 people. It's 420 coming up. Hit that like button. Let's see if we can get to 420 likes, all right, for this special event, okay? All right, that's enough. That's enough memes for one time. But I always want you guys, so just take a moment, reevaluate yourself. Look in the mirror and just be like, do I own any Dogecoin? When did I buy in? when you guys want to sell your Dogecoin, all right? When you guys want to sell your meme coins, all right? Because this dip right now is very tasty. If you guys sold your coins right now, you're at least going to get a 20 or a 30x on UBX or VRA. Those are just two that I mentioned. And yes, there's going to be more promising ones than that in the future that I don't know about, but I do this 15 to 18 hours a day. Is Dogecoin going to 20x? Probably not. It's not. Okay, it's not going that high. Let's be honest. It's not going to $1 trillion. Come on. So I would rather have you guys, any Dogecoin holders, there's a crypto out there. All right, there's a crypto that you don't have to pawn your kids off for. You don't have to sell your arm. You don't have to go to Mexico and sell your kidney. You guys can go make a 20x just off of VRA right now. All right, you don't have to do that type of stuff. But if you guys want to go into Dogecoin right now and you guys want to buy some more, there's some whales waiting to eat you. So you guys can go right ahead. All right, so let's get into exactly my bullish coins that are underperforming right now in the top 100. We'll start up with the top 100. All right, we'll start off with the top 100. All right, I'm disappointed in crypto, guys. I don't care how much money I have, brother. This still hurts me just because I've been in crypto so long, guys. This just hurts me. Like, I don't like. It's not. I'm making money off of it, but it hurts. Like, it doesn't feel good, you know. You guys would understand if you do this many hours a day. So, first of all, why the heck is Chainlink down 15%? We'll start off with that. Litecoin as well. Litecoin, I don't talk about Litecoin that much. They're going to be implemented. I really do see them pulling off around a 5x at the least. They're around 10 billion market cap, guys. You will not see a 10 billion market cap Litecoin ever. This is going to be the last time you see it. After this next pump, you guys are going to look at 10 billion Litecoin. Like, I don't see these altcoins dropping below this. Like, this is insane that they're even this low for how much potential people see. That it shouldn't be this low. It's just mind-boggling. I wouldn't have seen this happen in next years. No one's expecting this, by the way. No one expected this. How could you expect a bunch of apes to just, you know, like respawn in the matter of like 12 seconds? Okay, you don't see this. All right. Yeah, I did sell my soul for the Doge devil, right? He's living in my brain right now. He's like, why did you make so much money off me? And the safe moons are just in there too, guys. I got these crypto memes in my head. I need some memes though, all right? When will crypto go back up? Probably a week or two, or maybe a month from now. I don't see this meme effect hitting very hard. They'll cover it on the news. They'll get their news coverage, you know. They'll get their 420 memes. It'll run rampant through Twitter. It'll run rampant through Reddit for the next like week or two or a month or two. It'll come back up. It'll come back down. But you know what? It's going to be something that's going to stay, but I do not see these altcoins staying this low. It does not make sense. It does not make sense, guys. It really doesn't. They have so much potential. They have so much use case. They have so much things for profits. If you guys do not think they're going to stay this low, you think they're going to not go up in price, the only reason why is just because of you guys not knowing enough about crypto. Like these are, if you think about it like a company aspect, these companies have the potential to make billions of dollars in revenue every year. And they're sitting at this low of a market cap, and it doesn't make sense. They're underevaluated per revenue by factors of 10x or more from exactly where they're at right now. These are just people paper handing because they don't know what the heck to do. They've never seen a Doge coin go up to number 5. They're like, why wasn't I invested in Doge coin? I'm just going to sell my crypto. That's literally what they're saying to themselves. They're like, I don't, like, I just want to sell my Doge coin. And this is going to be a great opportunity for the smart people, for the people that actually know what's up with crypto, to get in at a discount. Because a lot of people are getting worried right now. I'm going to tell you guys right now, do not be worried, okay? This is just the meme lords playing games on us, all right? All right, let me get into it. Let me stop distracting you guys from what to buy, what's at a discount. So my number one buy on this top 100 list. I'm going to give you guys my number one buy. You know, I could do it. I'm gonna reevaluate the dips real quick because there's probably some more dips that just happened because of the certain situation that we're in. All right, if anyone's telling you, oh no, these dips aren't that bad, guys, it's coming back up, like I said earlier. All right, I was trying to play it off. Okay, I was trying to act cool. But inside, I was literally like, all right, I gotta buy so much stuff. I gotta sell so much stuff. What am I doing? Let's go. Because I wanted to sell so much stuff because I was into a lot of coins where it's just like you hold them and they have the ability to like 50, 100x, right? But it's like, you know, it's like they might take a little bit. They do have a lot of use case. I rank my coins. I have a system that I do in my head and then I have written down on paper. I'll talk about it later in this video, but it's a very good system. Yeah, hedge funds probably watch me and they probably steal all my ideas off of YouTube. Those people that work at those crypto hedge funds, they're like probably like, oh, I could hire. No. I'm my own hedge fund, guys. Not trying to cap. Polygon's pretty good. So what is my number one right now? What is yeah, guys, look at this. Terra's up 2.4% USDT. All right. When you see this up 2.4%, you know that there's apes swinging around in the jungle right now. They're panicking. They're trying to get to a safe place. Now they're parking their money in UST. All right, that's stable coins. Stacks is still somehow pumping. That's insane to me. And they're going to be very bullish. They're going to go up a couple 100% when this bull run hits. What do you think about Mina token? I got it in the ICO, but I can't figure out how to sell on BTZ. Well, if I were you right now, honestly, with Mina, with the IDO right now, I'm just gonna sell them and then buy these dips. Just saying, if you can't figure out how to sell it, there's ways to sell it. All right, I'm not gonna get too deep in that. KSM is down 20%. Why? There's a big sell wall right now. People that are shorting, guys, I am shorting quite a lot. I'm not gonna talk about shorting because I know a lot of you guys are like, why would you short, man? This is only going up. Like, you're saying my portfolio is going to go down a little bit. It's like, bro, yes, it is. Shorting is another way of leverage trading. You guys got to understand. Shorting is when you're selling something, right? You're betting on it to go down, right? When I see Dogecoin up this much, I know, like, I have a feeling, you know, like maybe I should short this. Maybe I should. Maybe when this stuff pumps, there's a good idea I should be shorting. You want to know what I do? I hit the short button and I do a little bit of a 5x leverage. And I have actually a 70, or I had an 84% before this meme coin success rate trading, which is very, very good. Most people have around a 60 to like a 58% chance, the good people in leverage trading. Mine was at an 84, then meme coin season hit, and I'm around a 78, which is still really good, but it's a little bit under par. But it's not hard to be right during these types of times, guys. It's very easy. You gotta base it off of psychology. NEM's down 18.4%. I don't believe I talked about them. XEM, they're very good. Thorchain, very bullish on Rune. All right, so let me just go with the safest buy. What's gonna 3x, guys? What you got? All right. What's my number one? What do you guys want? All right. I'm gonna give you what the people want. Stop rambling. All right. I really have this is hard. All right, guys. I'm gonna go with Solana. I'm going to go with Solana on this one, and it's for one thing in general. Their ecosystem is going to be multiplied by a factor of like probably 5x. Like at least 5x, and then it's going to be KSM number 2. But let me talk more about Solana. So they have an ecosystem right now so undervalued. Every single one of their things in their ecosystem I currently own. Same goes with Polkadot. Same goes with basically any Cosmos. But same goes with anything ecosystem that I'm bullish on. If you guys own their stuff in their ecosystem, it's basically like you're buying an index fund. What the heck is an index fund, man? All right, so an index fund is like, imagine you're in the stock market, right? Imagine you're some old dude that doesn't know what crypto gains are, right? You're just gonna be like, all right, so I like this industry. So what do I buy in this industry, right? I don't want to just pick one. I don't know which one's gonna go up. So you buy the whole industry, all right? You buy the whole industry. You're like, there's this one index fund that's kind of picks everything in this industry, so I'm just gonna buy that, right? So you buy your index fund in crypto, which is me just buying every single one of them in the ecosystem, which I did with Solana, Polkadot, and Cosmos. And I do it with a little other ones, but those are the ones that I literally own everything in. I really do like that, and VeChain as well. But like I said, you guys got to be careful doing that. Not really, but be careful. Unless you have a large portfolio, it's not recommended. All right, so we're done with that. Let's go over some Shiba Inu. All right. I'm sorry I'm adding meme coins. You guys have to see this. You have to see this. Okay, even if you don't like the meme coins, you have to see what is going on. All right. Like this is important. Shiba's up 77%. Trading volume of 597 million. It's not as big as Bitcoin, guys. Or I mean, as Dogecoin. Dogecoin's the bin of meme coins. When Dogecoin's up, everything's up. This is how things work. If you're new to this type of thing, I don't blame you. Okay, it's a new type of thing that literally just came out, kind of over the course of the past like 3 or 4 days. So you're not old, or you're not old to this. I guess everyone's new to this. But since I do this so often, it's old hat at this point. So the problem with Shiba is it's not as volatile as Doge, but as you guys can see here, what was it at? It was at 0.6, so it's already up a good around a good 55x in the past couple weeks, which you don't see that very often, guys. You don't see people just FOMOing into things right off the bat. This is something that you guys need to stay away from. Or you guys can get into it. I'm not judging, okay? This is a non-judging channel. There are ways you can make money off of it. Like I said, you guys got to figure out the algorithm of how many times is this being searched on the internet. Is the searches going up or is it going down? And that can predict how much investments are going to go through it. All right. You spent the last 2K on your name on LTC. That's a good long-term hold. LTC is a very good long-term hold. I would recommend that. That's great. I mean, that's going to go up in the long run. All right. There's a lot of things that will go up in the long run. What's my portfolio, fool? I can't show that online. All right. I'm never going to show my whole portfolio on stream. That's just too. You guys really couldn't do anything with that, to be honest. The majority of you. I know there's some whales watching. What's your thoughts on the market recovering? We have a bunch of, I'm not going to say that word. That's a bad word. It's if you call someone, all right, don't quote me on this, a smooth brain. That's a very mean word to say. I don't say that type of stuff. Coins with zero utility. All right, so I kind of already went over this. I'm going to summarize it real quick. So we have these ape individuals that are pawning off their babies. They're selling their babies at their local Walmart or wherever they can, and they're just putting it all into these meme coins. And the real thing that you guys have to understand is we don't know what's going to happen with these meme coins. Maybe it'll sell off tomorrow, but you never know, because the next idiot over there can just download Robinhood. You know, he could put his couple grand into this Doge Coin. But when you have so many people doing it, when you have such a positive light on it, and when people aren't like, oh, ADA or Cosmos or Polkadot, they're changing the world. They're putting these projects out on the map. Did you know that? They're like, no, I only know Dogecoin. Dogecoin's the only thing I know. They're like, oh, okay, all right. And then they just put their money in Dogecoin. They forget about, they don't even know about all these other crypto projects. They're just ignoring them blatantly. So we don't know what's going to happen in the future. I do expect a dip from Dogecoin, but at the same time, you do not know. It's kind of crazy, all right? How much am I getting paid by YouTube? I make around, I think I've made over $600 in total so far, and I'm paying people around, monthly. I'll do monthly. So I'm losing around I'm losing around $4,500 if I keep the same rate every year, or $4,500 a month. So thank me, guys. I'm losing money doing the stream. All right, losing $4,500 doing YouTube. I bet no one could say that. All right, so Dogecoin is from their childhood, right? All right, so yeah, this is a crazy time to be alive. You guys are all early in. Feel good. Give yourselves a pat on the back. I always tell you guys this. All right, we're still early. This is just a dip that was caused by a bunch of ruckus in the jungle of trees by these apes. So there's not much more to talk about it. You guys have gotten my rant. All right, you guys have gotten my rant. Okay. Oh, my thoughts on SafeMoon. All right, I'm probably going to have to say this hundreds of times. All right, SafeMoon has no use case. SafeMoon has the same use case as a rock. And I could make SafeMoon. I could literally code SafeMoon in literally probably 10 minutes tops. I might do a stream of me coding it. There's actually videos on YouTube of people coding SafeMoon in less than 10 minutes. If you guys want to go get rich, how about you go code SafeMoon? Click off this video, go code SafeMoon, and pump it up. If you guys want to pump up these things, go everywhere. Go to Reddit, go to Twitter, go to anything you can. Spam it, make some bots, get some retweets, get some big people into it who are talking about it, and you guys can become a millionaire with literally only probably a couple dollars in some pocket lint. But you guys just have to be aping around like no tomorrow if you guys want to pull that off. All right, that's all I'm saying. Oh, I was gonna do this fun thing. All right, so I got recommended this. What if I went through you guys know there's hedge funds on crypto or whatever. I could go through every single one of their investments, give some tips to them what they should be invested in, because they are invested in some coins that you guys are going to want to hear about. I'm invested into the majority of what these hedge funds are invested into. They're invested into some small coins just because they have a lot of faith in them. They have that insider information because they're $1 billion company. I could go through that. Or I could just stare at Doge for the next 6 hours and do some trades. I might do that, but might do both at the same time, guys. We'll have to see. My top 5. All right, top 5 easiest 20x's of your life. All right, top 5 easiest 20x's of your life. Let's go over it. First of all, I'm not going to give you guys anything risky. I'm not going to give you guys anything that's going to go down in this top 5 because it's too freaking easy. All right, it's too easy right now with this dip, 20% dip. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, so let's go through the first one. I'm just gonna do this one real quick for you guys that are here. So this one will be an easy 20x. Let's see how much I didn't even check how much it's down today. Down 10%. Schmet percent. Okay, 10% on ERSDL is not too much. All right, so 10% on ERSDL is like a hair off your head at this point. You guys got a lot of hair. If you're bald, you don't, but it's okay. I'm probably gonna go bald soon because of all this stress. So ERSDL is definitely going to be a multi-billion-dollar 10 to 20x at least in the next year or two. If you guys are not invested in this one, it's a safe one. You can stake it. You guys can love it. You guys can care for it. It's gonna care for you. Very bullish on that. You guys are getting my full personality today because I'm excited that I've made money off of these turd coins, and I'm also nervous at the trades that I currently have locked in, and I'm letting it full force out right now. I'm not on no sleep right now. I took a little power nap, so we might be good to go all night. I might have to get the Keurig brewing. I might need to go to Starbucks, but it's closed. All right, we're gonna go over UBX 20x. No more said. If you guys watch my channel, I've probably talked about this one 45 times in the past like couple days. So you guys already know that this one's due for at least 20 to 30x. Right now, it's currently at a fire sale price. Your local Walmart put it on sale for 70%, and you guys can resell it on Amazon for cheaper than that. You guys could be 2xing off of Amazon if you guys buy it and sell it on there. All right, so that's a great buy right there. Let's go over HDR. Hather. This is my favorite mid cap. This is my biggest bag in my portfolio. First of all, is because all right, so you guys got to be taking profits. Let's go over the profit taking thing. How are you guys going to make the most money in crypto? All right, how are you going to make the most money in crypto? First of all, you have to understand how crypto works. Okay, no one on YouTube talks about how crypto works, so a lot of you guys are not making as much money as you can. And what do I know? Am I some money guru? Am I some guy who has a nice watch on? You guys see my watch, right? And you guys see my Lamborghini. All right, I'm going to show you guys how to make the most money on this stuff. By the way, I drive a 2002 car. I don't believe in nice cars because I like to 10x my money. Okay, I'm never buying a nice car until this bull run is over, and I'm not even gonna buy a nice car, guys. I'm gonna buy a car that appreciates in value if I do buy a nice car. Your life is just an investment, guys. At least my life is. So HDR is down 25%. It's down 25%, guys. This is going to $30. What is a $30 HDR looking like? It's looking imminent. It's looking like it's going to happen in the near future. If you're not invested into this, you are really having a problem right now. You guys are pulling out your hair. I'm just saying, you guys are going to look back at this video. You guys are going to look back at me. You guys are going to be like, thank you. And what I'm going to say, absolutely no problem. This is just, me sharing some stuff that I'm invested in. And you guys are going to see a lot of people hopping into this one probably tomorrow, but a lot of people are just waiting. They're like, what the heck is this? What's happening? And I'll tell you what my prediction is too. I see a lot of this happening. First of all, this is a market scare tactic as well. You can't predict that Dogecoin was going to do this, but a lot of people are pulling out and seeing how low this dip can go. But there's going to be a lot of institutions that are kind of eyeballing this market up. But at the same time, they're like, what the heck just happened with Dogecoin? They're getting a little scared, They're getting a little scared right now just because Dogecoin's safe moon, safe Mars, whatever you want to see, all right? This is what they're saying, all right? But I see HDR. It's stupid that it's not at 20 billion right now. It's stupid, all right? We're just gonna leave it at that. Do the math. 20 billion, what's it at right now? $239 million. It basically has the same use case as ADA. Think about this. HDR has the same use case as ADA. Done. All right, they have smart contracts, they have DEXs, they have basically everything that ADA is coming out with. HDR does. HDR does. HDR does. All right, I'm just going to leave it at that. My favorite mid cap, I have over money in that one. Not gonna get into details, just percents, guys. I want you guys to be able to relate to me. Like, I'm a really relatable guy. All right, I'm a normal person. Like, I'm even if no matter how much money I have, guys, what happens is when you get money and you spend it, it goes to your head. Okay, you think you're some sort of hotshot who drives a Lambo or whatever. I don't know. I don't want to ever be that guy. All right, so I grew up very poor. All right, and I would like to remain in that mindset of like, I'm not driving the. I don't know. All right, too much talking about personal life. Let's get into this. Yeah, get to my point. I feel you, Jessica. Is this short? Oh. All right, we're going for the 24-hour stream. I'm pretty mad right now. All right, Zero Exchange. Let's hear it. Let's hear it on Zero. I'm gonna give you it all on my Zero. 22% today on Zero. All right, so we went over ERSDL, we went over HDR, we went over UBX, we went on over VRA, and now we're going over Zero. This is going to be the last 20x in my top 5. I probably around 4 or 5, but they don't have as much hype. They don't have much potential as these 5, and maybe they do, but not going to talk about them. I'll have to get into them later. Zero is a 20x. Why isn't Zero at over $1 billion market cap? You know, the world may never know. It's just because these meme coins, guys, these meme coins are dragging everything down. It's not Doge Coin. Oh, all right. So first of all, it's China. All right. China did some shady stuff. They dropped the price of Bitcoin. They're probably buying in heavily right now. They're getting the old discount on Bitcoin, and so is a lot of other people. The smart people are getting discounts right now, and it just sucks if you guys don't have enough money for that. You live and you learn. There's been over 4 dips in the past 4 months. There's been a dip every single month. Okay, every single month of this year, there's been a dip over 20 to 30% for altcoins. Just saying that. So 20 to 30% a dip every single month on altcoins. If you're new here, you didn't know that happens. Well, you're new. You live it and you learn, and you learn from your mistakes. Okay, so there's 20 to 30% dips every single month that has happened so far this year. This is why it's important to keep stable coins. This is why it's important to stay up to date, because these gains, 20 to 30%, right? That's a big gain. Okay, you don't see that in the stock market. All right, if that happened in the stock market, you want to know what happened? The government would be bailing out. A lot of stuff would be hitting the fan. All right, but this is not how the crypto works. Okay, just letting you guys know that right now. Big tip right there. 20 to 30% dips happen every single month for the past 4 months. At least once. Okay, so Zero has a SEX or DEX, also a DEX, decentralized exchange. They're gonna have a lot of money coming in, a lot of money coming out. They're gonna be making actual revenue in this company, and it's a very profitable company, and it's going to be in the near future. They're gonna have a DEX that's comparable to BNB in my opinion. And I really do think their DEX is going to be one that's very undervalued. But once people put more money into it, it's going to make a lot of money, all right? But the thing with DEXs is there's only so much money in the market right now that's going through these DEXs. And not a lot of people want to buy through. There's a barrier, right? So there's levels. It's like, all right, there's Coinbase level, right? And then there's getting your money out of Coinbase, maybe KuCoin or Binance, right? So there's level 1 Coinbase, right? We got all the Shans in Coinbase. We have all the normal people in Coinbase, right? The normal investors don't move past Coinbase because that's no land, okay? And then they go to KuCoin or whatever you guys want to call it, those other ones. And then these people go to the sketchy ones is level 3, right? The ones that people don't know a lot of money about or a lot of things about. It's not sketchy. It really isn't. If you just take your time and you learn, none of this is sketchy. They could all figure out how to transfer their money to that in probably around a day. But you know what? Learning's hard. You can buy it on Uniswap, Zero Exchange, or BitThumb Global. Wait for this to get the old Binance in probably around 5 to 6 months. It'll be listed on Binance pretty soon, and you guys never know. It'll probably be listed on KuCoin sooner or later, probably less than that, 6 months. When this stuff gets listed, guys, this is when you see the price explode, because all these people are like, I could finally buy it. I could finally buy it. And then they do. So you guys got to get in before that. Just saying. This is how crypto works. I do this all the time. I've been doing it for all the time. Just saying. You know, I'm not giving you guys good info or anything. Kidding. I was ranting in Discord about this with a few of my fellow whales. We were going and we were buying the dips and stuff. But you guys really got to understand, this is like something that is straight out of a horror movie slash like action-packed film that has a good ending, because there will be a good ending, but this is the horror part where you're like, oh, I don't know what's gonna happen. And then at the end of the movie, it's like, oh, everything went up, everything's great. You know, I got my Lambo. And this is going to happen real quick with a lot of this stuff, guys. 6 months is not that long. look at LTC BTC chart, zoom out, and look at what's historically coming. Right? Well, you want to know what's historically coming? All right, well, first of all, historically, there's never been a Dogecoin pump like this. There's never been a Space Moon pump like this. So your historically stuff is out the window, okay? Because you guys don't know what's happened historically when there's a $50 billion into a coin with no use case. All right, just letting you know that. Oh yeah, that does look historical. But this dump is something that has never happened before. We've never seen a Dogecoin, right? We've never seen a Dogecoin go to top 5, all right? So this dump is something special. This dump is different than anything else. And oh my gosh, do I see a scammer in the chat? I can't believe. But do not text me on WhatsApp. I've heard of some of you guys text me on WhatsApp. That's pretty funny. They're in the live stream, man. What's up, scammer? What's up, guy? He's watching this right now. He's like, I'm going to scam this guy and go dump my money into Zero or BRA or USDL or UBX. They're on dips. Yeah. All right. So this dip is almost like the February 22nd dip. We had a dip February 22nd. We had a dip March 10th. And we also had a dip on January 10th a little bit. And you guys see these dips, right? Every day was some more news. I could get into exactly what happened on those days, but that's a little bit boring. You guys could look back. These dips are days to remember. I literally remember every single dip for the past like 12 months. I can name every single thing that happened that day, just because. Yep. FUD channel. No, I'm not a FUD, guys. All right, so I'm gonna get into exactly where I see everything going. Yeah, you want me to do that? All right, so everything, you guys, all right, let's go look at the market cap, all right? The market cap's down 6.6%. You guys do not see that often, all right? This only happens a few times. We're on the double dip right now. We're on the double dip. We're on the person who just puts their chip in twice, all right? So what's happening right now is you see we had a dip here, right? We had that dip yesterday, and now we're having a little re-dip. It's just touching the bottom. Let's see how close we are. We're not under $2 trillion. We'll have to see if we do. I honestly think we might be going over $2 trillion under that, around 1.9. But that's just because of this Dogecoin, all right? Dogecoin hype, Dogecoin altcoin crash, Dogecoin safe moon, whatever it is happening right now. And this is going to be something to definitely take into consideration, that if it breaks this Saturday's market cap, it's not going to be too far under it, in my opinion, but you never know. I really would only put that around like a 10% chance of it going far, like maybe 2% under it or 1% under it. You don't see that market cap move that much nowadays because of all the institutional money and all the smart money that's in it. They know that crypto is here to stay. Crypto is going to be here for thousands of years. Any of you guys that do not know that statistic, crypto is going to be here for thousands of years. And if you do not understand that, there's a lot of videos that you guys could watch. You guys need to research more. This is something that we're in early. It's only been out the past 13 years or 12 years, but we are in so early. You guys are into something that's going to be alive for thousands of years. Imagine how much money that will be in thousands of years. That's going to be a lot, guys. Insane. That's insane. But yeah, it's down 6%. Everyone's moving their money in the tether. There's a little bounce off the dip yesterday and today a little bit, but now everything's kind of puking again, just because of these Doge coins and these meme coins. All right, so let's see if old Dogecoin will let's see what's happening to the Doge. All right, guys. All right, my leverage trade's about to. All right, hopefully. What's Doge at? It's not. Let me look at it on CoinMarketCap. Sorry for the delay, guys. Hopefully you guys do not get mad about this delay. Things will be back. Things will be operating real soon. All right, let's go to the old Dogecoin on here. So once it gets to 420, right, we saw a little sell-off. I'm going to do a little Dogecoin analysis. I've already went over five coins that will 20x. What more do you guys want from me? Okay, what more do you need with your life? All right, so no, I'm kidding. All fun and games. It's good for you guys to learn this type of stuff, though, because meme coins are really important for every single person that's watching this. Meme coins are important. I will go over a bunch of other coins, but we have to be watching Dogecoin consistently this night. All right, it's very important. So we're at 425. You guys that are not liking me in the chat, I just want to let you guys know, have fun with your ADA, man. Have fun with your ADA. 430. All right, so we're at 430 is the highest it's went. Yeah, we're seeing a little bit of these dips. Look at these whale dips, guys. These are all from just whales. There's a couple of people that have made over billions of dollars off of Doge Coin. I am very sure that there's going to be billionaires that are going to come out of this, and then there's going to be people who are going to come out of Doge Coin with actually $0. So that's something that you guys are, a lot of people have came out with actually $0 from this, just saying. Okay, so the fact is Dogecoin really is something that it's gonna happen in the matter of probably the next couple days, but there's gonna be some billionaires that come out of this. There already has been, and you guys are gonna see this thing go viral with that. I don't know if these people are gonna remain anonymous or whatever, but there's some billionaires being minted through Dogecoin. Just saying, they're eating a lot of shrimp. Okay. So you guys want the easiest 10x's to 20x's of your life? All right. If you guys only use Coinbase, if you guys only use KuCoin, if you guys only use whatever thing you're used to, you guys can get 10x's, you guys can get 20x's fairly easily. All right, I've been doing this for the past year. I've had over 800 or 900 x's, not from IDOs. What are IDOs? IDOs are coin listings that you could get early in on. Okay, so we're going to talk about IDOs first. I've had around 7 to 8 IDOs that have also 100x this year. You guys are like, what? No way, no way, no way this guy's telling the truth. He's not some money guru individual. Okay, it might not be that much money than 100xing off of these IDOs. I've actually had around a 250x, but yes, it's not that much money off of my initial investment, but I'm making I'm buying these tickets and blah 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 blah. You guys can look into it more. It's kind of risky if you guys do not have a large portfolio. I would not recommend it. But yes, so I've had 8 of those, and I've had 9 things that have 100x just from long-term holds. And this is something where you guys have to understand, these are 12-month holds. These are longer than 12 months. A lot of these I've had for over 2 years, if not longer. Ever since 2017 there was a bad crash, and another one in around 2018, and then 2020 there was the coronavirus crash. So we're going to go over some of these that I still believe to pull off a 10 to 20x. That's not that long. That's around 4 to 5 months. Something at 20x. Sometimes it takes 6 months. Sometimes it takes 8 months. Sometimes it takes 12 months. But it could be shorter. It could be longer. It just all matters about the hype. As you guys see, what happened to Dogecoin? Want to know what that was? Hype. How do people invest into something? They hear about it. How do they hear about it? Hype. So we went over VRA, Veracity. That's probably one of my number ones. I'm already up over 150x off of VRA. So that one's definitely possible, but it's down 20% today. That one's gonna be probably our 20 to 30x at least. So VRA, we have VRA. You guys could write that one down. I'm gonna pull it up for you fellows that are new to this channel. Please like, subscribe. Let's get to 420 likes for tomorrow. If you guys could hit that like button, we got to get to 420, or else this stream is no good, or else I'm ending the stream. Kidding. Okay, VRA is down 20% today. Want to know why? Because of Dogecoin, because of this FUD that's going out. So this is a easy 20x. All right, easy 20x, easy 20x. Just if you guys have already seen this, it's probably good. I'll maybe say some new stuff about this stuff. HDR, easy 20x. Not going to say anything about that. I've already talked about it a lot. HDR Hather, ERSDL, 20x. UBX, 20x. You guys think I'm some crazy guy who's just saying, oh, this is going to 20x. No, I'm not. All right, this is actually going to happen. Just wait. Yeah, Binance is suspending and slowing down a lot of transactions right now. My guess is the leverage trading is something to do with that. Dogecoin is definitely having an issue right now with exactly keeping up with all of these trades and all these transactions. Because if you do not know, if you're new to crypto, Binance Chain has had a lot of problems. in the past 4 years. If you guys just got into crypto, you're like, Binance Chain's awesome, man. You know, I'm buying Doge, I'm buying Space Moon, but no, it had a rough past, and you guys have to understand that BNB has had a rough past, but yet again, they are the biggest. They've had very bad reviews on their customer service, especially for me. I don't use BNB because there's other exchanges, in my opinion, that I would rather put my money into, and other ways. But that's not the point. Okay, I'm not a hater on BNB because I don't hold any of my money in their wallet. They have great graphs, they have great analytics. Okay, guys, you guys can use their graphs. The graphs are phenomenal, right? But their transaction times, they take 1 to 2% of every trade as well. That's pretty big, guys. There's going to be some people that are going to have they're going to have a lot less fees than that. You guys are going to see that in the future just because they can. And Binance is going to need to slow down their trades or slow down their system. So just saying about that. All right. Binance Chain is kind of, in my opinion, the biggest, but you guys are going to see ZCX kind of pop off soon just because their trades and exactly what they're doing. But like I said, I'm not going to get too deep in that. I'm not going to hate on BNB. They're a great company. They're going to hit $1,000, by the way, very soon. That's without a doubt. All right. Doge is a copy of LTC. Buy the LTC. Yeah. Buy Litecoin over Doge every single day. How do I feel about XRP? Well, I've already made my money on XRP. I skedaddled out of XRP once they're around $1, like $50, $60. I bought them right when the news came out. I was never a XRP holder. I'm not going to hold anything that is in a drought most of the time unless I put a small allocation in there. But it's not worth holding something through a drought, meaning there's no news coming out about them for a long period of time. It's not the smartest thing to do because it's going to be very hard for you to judge when it's going to pump. When it pumps is when information comes out, once it gets trending, when people are like XRP, 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 when these apes start popping out of the places that you see them in, you see these apes getting ready to jump in, and you got the juicy news pretty quickly because you do crypto all the time, and you buy into it then, and then you wait for you should trust XRP. Okay, XRP is trustable. All right, there's no reason not to trust them. Okay, there's no reason. There's been hundreds and hundreds of other companies that are big right now that have done a lot worse stuff than XRP. Not a couple lawsuits isn't anything. All right, but you see these people jumping into XRP. You guys got to buy before them. You got to find the news before them. The fact that their lawsuits ended, that was one of the biggest things that you've seen ever with a lawsuit ending. Just saying. So very bullish on XRP then, but I've already sold them. All right, let's talk about Dogecoin. Okay, what's Dogecoin at? They're almost at 40 cents. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look how many sites are trading Dogecoin. All right, can we just show that real quick? You guys never ever see this many sites trading Dogecoin. All right, you want to know why? Because this is a lot of whale activity. All right, whale activity is coming from these sites. You guys are not going to see the average Joe put their money into a lot of other dexes to trade with. Okay, these are all people leverage trading 1,000%. Okay, 1,000% these people are leverage trading. Okay, 1,000%. Why would you have your money in these small things just to buy it? Want to know why? Because they have very good rates for leverage trading. Not going to shout any out, but Dogecoin's being leverage traded so much. These shrimps are getting eaten. Because you want to know what? Why wouldn't you leverage trade Doge, right? If you think it's going to go up and you have a lot of money, why wouldn't you leverage trade them? It's smart, okay? Your dad bought Dogecoin. I'm telling you, man. Everyone's hopping on the Doge train, all right? Yeah. I mean, it could be money laundering. I mean, I'm not going to say it. There's ways you guys could launder your money. You could do it through crypto. You could do it through a bunch of other things as well. Money laundering's not too difficult to understand. There's a lot of illegal and illicit money that goes around. Not going to talk about it too much, but laundering your money is not hard, especially through crypto, and you guys get gains on top of that. If you're not laundering your money through crypto, what are you doing? Okay, what are you doing not laundering your money through crypto? There's gains to be made. What about Harmony? Very bullish on one. Harmony one. Yep. Extremely bullish on them. Anything that I talk about that's bullish, I promise you guys are going to look back at it in 6 to 8 months, and 95% of them are going to be up a significant amount. One included. I've been a bullish on Harmony for the longest I can remember. All right, this stream is just me ranting on Dogecoin, hating on Dogecoin. No, I'm not hating on them. All right, guys. This is a pure curiosity. This is a pure I don't even know how to explain it. This is a once in a lifetime type of event that's going on with Doge, okay? This is literally 420. This is 420, okay? 420 hype. Imagine, right? So there's people watching us right now. They're like, there's these rich people watching us. They're like, holy crap, $51 billion market cap Doge Coin, literally based off of solid memes. And they're probably like, oh, I'm getting a little bit scared. Okay, like why is there $51 billion in this industry that I was gonna buy into, aka crypto, and they're putting it into Doge Coin? People are getting scared right now. All right, I'm not scared. I'm really not. It'll bounce back, but that's just something to think about. People are really getting scared. All right, 1 inch. You guys could buy 1 inch. All right, if you guys are having problems buying HDR, go look up a KuCoin tutorial. It's very easy. 1 inch right now is down 14%. They're on Coinbase, and a lot of you guys like Coinbase, okay? And a lot of you guys use Coinbase. 1 inch is easily a 5 to 10x from where it is right now. So just that being said, that's easy for you guys to understand. Coinbase, easy. I've already talked about Zero a lot. Yes, they're a trustworthy DEX with a anonymous team. They're not anonymous. You guys could email them and figure that out. I've already talked to them. Robinhood marks up prices. Yes, they do. That's how you make money. They're not doing it for free. All right, they're not doing it for free. These DEXs aren't doing anything for free. Okay. So you guys want to know how to be able to be profitable right now? I'm just going to give you guys a little thing how to be profitable, right? If you're already up on Doge, you might want to sell at least half of your Doge or whatever you're comfortable with selling. If not, you can keep it in there. Spin the wheel. I have a feeling it's going to go up tomorrow. We'll maybe see 50-cent Doge. If we see 50-cent Doge, that's going to be a crazy thing. I'm not going to say anything above that. All right, I'm not going to say anything above that because I could be wrong, could be right. But there's really price predictions on Doge is really just like how far can you stick your finger up your nose. I mean, some people could stick it farther than some. I don't know. All right. You guys want to talk about Pundy? All right. Whale alert! Whale alert! If you were in this before, guys, look at this. Just one singular whale. Volume didn't go up. Whale just bought around like 20 million of them. So that's cool. It's a whale alert, guys. Oh, look at Pundy. Why did that even come up? Grow access to your... Someone's just doing that just to blow them up. That could have been a hedge fund that was buying into it, or someone that's pretty large. That's pretty crazy. I don't think we've ever seen a $28 billion buy. This is something that's very interesting, guys. Oh, what if you guys were in this instead of Dogecoin, right? You'd be up a lot right now. Imagine being up 27,000% in a matter of seconds, okay? Just saying that, all right? Just saying that. In a matter of seconds, you got up 27,000%. Just saying. That's nuts. StormX has been dropping recently. Everything's dropping recently, all right? You want to know why? Because of Dogecoin, because of meme coins. Meme coins are scaring everyone into selling and putting their money into these stable coins. If you do not know what stable coins are, you probably do not know what you're doing with your crypto. It's okay. It's not, you know what you're doing. You're investing into good things. Like StormX is a good investment for you newcomers, but there's other investments and there's other strategies you guys can do to be more successful in crypto, aka if you guys put your money into stable coins and you buy these dips do happen frequently. I've already said this 4 times or 5 times a stream, but you guys need to remember this very clearly. If you hear something 14 times, you remember it clear. But the dips come in crypto. Okay? Imagine there's a 20 to 30% dip every month, and this happens every single month this year. There's been 4 of them this year. Imagine if you had stable coins and you bought those dips every single time. You want to know what? Your portfolio would be 20 to 15% higher than it is right now just by holding stable coins. Fun fact, that is a true fact. That wasn't a make-believe story. That was a true fact. Congratulations, you are up now. You guys have good intel. You guys have good strategies, okay? Yes, I do need to go to Switzerland, guys. No, I don't know. Switzerland would be cool. Let the market roll to me. Yeah, the market will roll to you. I don't know how much lower it could go. I don't think things will drop at 10 to 20% more. This might be the biggest drop we're going to see all year. I'm not doing a leverage trading video. I do not advise you guys doing leverage trading because I know how much money people make off of these newcomers that come to leverage trading. Okay, I do not want to advise anyone. If you guys want to learn how to leverage trade, I just want to let you guys know that Bitboy's fans, his market cipher fans, and all those YouTubers, they make a lot of people a lot of money. I'm just saying, only 5% of you guys will be successful leverage trading. I'm not going to do any tutorials. I'm probably not going to speak about it again this stream, just because a lot of you guys are asking about it. Portugal has 0 taxes on crypto gains. All right. Not going to short Doge. Heck no. Playing with fire, you're going to get burnt. Is it possible that Doge represents Elon? Someone has 24% in one wallet. That's not that much money, guys. You have to understand. There's so many billionaires out there. 24%. What is that? That's around like 15 billion. That's not that much money, or that's around 10 million. That's not that much money to some people. Some people are just remain anonymous and have like $200 billion. Okay, 300 billion. They're richer than Jeff Bezos. They could put as much money as they want in crypto. Okay, and if you know crypto is such a good investment, these very, very smart people, they're very affluent. They're very smart, and they're figuring out crypto is something very important. If you're smart enough and you sit down and you spend the time of really researching into crypto, and you really understand its use case, its value, over the next 5 to 10 years, you would invest your whole entire portfolio into it, and you would do the strategies that I'm talking about, and you would make more from crypto than you would any single other investment on the planet. And well, any other single investment on the planet that a normal person can get into, you would make more money. Okay. Oh, I'll go over. Yeah, Putin probably does have 200 billion in crypto. Russia is going to be investing 1% of their state's economy into crypto. Russia is going to be investing into crypto. Their government. They're not going to be making their own crypto like a few other countries. They're going to be investing into crypto. I saw there's a few hedge funds that are on the. I'll show you guys how you guys could look at what hedge funds are invested into after this. They're invested into Pickle. All right. If you guys don't know what Pickle Finance is, it's a DeFi yield farming yield aggravator. I'm a little bit bullish on them. They're up 7% right now. That's a pretty good sign, but they are at 25 million market cap. So that's the thing you guys have to understand. Okay, I love Revo. Okay, you guys, I don't speak about Revo because of one thing. I'm going to be up probably a significant amount on them. I don't want to talk about them too much, but it's looking like a little bit of a sell-off since from the start. I didn't want to bring much light to them, but they bounced back up. It's just a fact of the gaming and collectibles. I made a lot of money, or made up most of my money that I have right now. So I was very bullish on NFTs in 2019, 2020. All right, I got very bullish on them. I had a large percent of my portfolio invested into NFTs and these types of collectibles, whatever you want to call it. And I ended up selling all of them. Okay, I sold every single NFT asset I own right now. I sold my CryptoPunks, guys. I sold my CryptoPunks. Okay, I actually did own some CryptoPunks. Sold them all. And I ended up figuring out this NFT hype, right? Whatever's trending, it's going to die off soon. This is the trend in crypto. Stuff hypes up. Stuff is irrelevant. It's not going to make any revenue in the future. It's not going to make billions of dollars of revenue in the future, like Decentraland and Chili's. They're not going to make billions of dollars. Why are they worth billions or hundreds of millions? It's just FUD. It's just FOMO. And you see these people that just, they don't understand, okay? They don't understand. All right, my child, can you speak on XFi? You put your whole portfolio into it. Be careful, man. I never tell you guys to put your whole portfolio into something. Wait for it to go up. I mean, you don't want to sell on a loss, but if you have your whole portfolio into it, wait for it to go up and then diversify a little bit more. So yeah, Revo, it's down 12%, but it's only down 12% today with this dip. If people were really scared, these IDO brethrens would be selling their whole position today, and it would be down around 20 to 30%. So this is why you do not see you don't see this IDO going too much. This one was around, I believe, a 35x off the IDO price. I've literally I'm gonna have my 50th IDO this month, so I participated in over 50 IDOs. I know a lot about IDOs, just letting you guys know. I'm not some guy who's only done 1 or 2 of them and I'm like, hey guys, here's IDOs. No. Vet, bullish on Vet. Who isn't bullish on Vet? I'm selling a lot of my stuff right now. just because there's these gains right now. All right, if you guys bought some stuff in the past, all right, I'm sorry I didn't know Dogecoin was going to go up 40% and freaking crash the whole market. It was going to go up 442% and crash the whole market. This was a variable that you guys could not predict, okay? This is something, though, that if you had extra money, if you guys listened to what I said in the beginning, I'm sorry if you weren't here. You guys learned from that. I'm not saying you're an idiot for not listening to what I said. I understand all of you guys are different. All you guys have different portfolio sizes, and you guys are all humans. Humans make mistakes, okay? It's okay, all right? You learn from it, all right? I'm being completely honest and sincere. You learn from your mistakes, and one of the mistakes, it was just an absolute variable coming in the crypto. This happens a lot with crypto just because it's so new. An absolute independent variable just comes out of nowhere, crashes into crypto, and then you see people FOMOing into Dogecoin, which was today's variable, and this is crashing a lot of this market. So if you had money that was left over, if you guys took my advice being 50% in the stable coins, you would be able to buy all these dips and make a lot of gains. But it's not that big of a deal, okay? You will go up in a few months, I promise you that. Even a month from now, maybe a couple weeks, we'll have to see. Bounce backs are very bullish on crypto, just to make you guys feel better. Let's look at the little graph one more time. I look at this whenever I'm feeling down. Look at, we had this dip here, right? Dip here, comes back up. Dip here, comes back up. This is only in 1 year. So look at all the dips. Look at the way it comes back. All right, just letting you guys know that. Don't feel bad. I would not say Safe Moon's a good investment. All you guys are asking. All right. Just got some 1 inch. Yeah, 1 inch is a great buy. Coinbase. If you're on Coinbase, I would say that's a great buy on Coinbase. Omni, very bullish on Omni. They're going to be doing big things in the future. They have a Coinbase, or not a Coinbase listing, but a Binance listing, I believe. Are they on Binance? I swear, I think I saw that today. If they're not on Binance, they're going to be coming there soon. Down 20% today. Yeah, they're going to become the Binance. That was the big news that I heard. Z better than 0. Negative. Binance under maintenance. Whoa. Are you serious? Is Binance under maintenance? Guys, in the chat if Binance is under maintenance. Hopefully it doesn't log in. If Binance is under maintenance, guys, you guys are going to see a large little dip here. Not a large dip, probably like 5%. Because I've never seen Binance under maintenance during times like this. This is because of Doge, guys. This is because you Doge and Safe Moon brethren. You guys are crashing the whole crypto. Like, I get one thing, you're crashing the stock market, right? You guys are doing the GameStop short, but you guys have to understand this is different, man. Crypto's actually going to be changing lives. These people aren't scheming too hard. This is actually going to be changing lives, and the fact this is happening in cryptos, it's a little sad, it's a little upsetting. But I know you guys are just here to make money, so I'm gonna stop getting sad. Oh, Binance is under maintenance for 2 hours? What the heck? That's definitely because of Dogecoin. So you guys got to think Dogecoin. That's literally like the Robinhood event. They're probably going to get some flack for that. I don't think they're going to take them to the court. You really can't. It's decentralized, guys. They could do a lot of stuff. So Binance is down. Okay. That's crazy. That is insane, guys. That's absolutely insane. Binance is down. Go definitely. Yeah, that's crazy. Bots, it's not for me. Bought some Earn. Yeah. Earn will bounce back. They're one of the main NFTs that I'm bullish on in the near future. It's just their fully diluted market cap. They're around $18 right now. That's very low for Earn. That's a great buy. I do see it pulling off maybe a 5x, 10x by the end of the year. We'll have to see about that. But it's just this NFT hype. It's going to happen in a year. NFTs are going to be really big in a year. But it's just, you have to understand that the use cases are not going to be out 2 months from now. It's a long-term hold, okay? This one's a long-term hold. The use cases for NFTs, music, mainly music, movies, anything else in that thing. They're going to have even NFTs for literally clothes. Everything that you know is probably going to be an NFT in the next 20 or 30 years. That's just how stuff's going to be. And if it's not going to be in 20 or 30 years, it's going to be longer than that, but it's going to happen eventually. And you guys might think I'm some crazy guy, but I just do this 15, 18 hours a day. I don't have bias, just being honest. This is how society is heading towards. It's trending towards that. Look at society as a whole. So definitely, those are long-term holds. Just saying. Mana, stupid. Sorry to say it. Mana is one of the stupidest things I've ever seen pump. I'm being completely honest, guys. I know NFTs. I've been doing NFTs. Mana is a stupid pump. If you own any Mana, I'm just knowing you right now. You're in a thing that is no use case. Go play decentralized app. If you're invested into something, why not try their app? Why not try whatever they're selling? Please go try it. Okay, I really appreciate if you try it for a second and come back to this video and tell me that Mana is cool. Mana is not cool. Yeah, I don't have a life, guys. I don't. I do, but I don't. What is a life, guys? What is a life? Come on. I have online friends, guys. I got crypto friends. What more do you need? The StormX, wait, what do you think StormX is? That 100x? Okay, that doesn't make sense. What about ZCX? Very bullish on ZCX. I'll pull Unizen. Unizen's going to be one of the best dexes that's coming out. BGX, bullish on BGX. I'll look into NMIQ. I'm not too familiar, but I am a little bit, but I would like to go through their website. NMIQ. Oh, NIM. I haven't looked at them in probably a few weeks. I don't know. My brain's kind of just going all over the place with Doge. Yeah, 420 likes, guys. We're 180 or 177 likes away from 420. Once we get to 420 likes, it's looking good. All right. Still the same feeling that I had before. I just wanted to make sure. See if they got any more developers or development. Yeah, I don't like sites like this that don't lay it all out. I'm a little OCD when it comes to like the top 500 or whatever. When you're under 100 million, when you're under 100 million market cap, you have to have a site. This is my order that I do. I talked about this earlier. If you're not here, listen to this, okay? So we have a rating system. I do 10 out of 10. Okay, this is a very important thing for any of you guys that are watching, right? I have a 10 out of 10 system, right? So what is their team out of 10? Okay, a perfect 10 would be they have like over 30 developers, maybe 50 developers, right? And their developers are all on their site. They got pretty pictures of their faces, right? That's a 10 out of 10 developers. What is their use case? Figure out what their use case is. Rate it out of 10, okay? Compare it to some of the best use cases, maybe some of the top 10 use cases or whatever in that sector, and name off the top, do it a 10 out of 10 system, and then do the third one. And for the third one, do basically how much revenue can they bring in? Could they make a lot of revenue? AKA, so do that, and then 10 out of 10. BGX is a great roadmap. No one is talking about it. Okay. I'll go look into BGX some more. I'll look into their roadmap for you. I do know BGX. It's the boomer decks. Okay, guys, this is for you boomers out there. Any of you boomers, this is probably the decks you use. No flack taken. That's a good buy. The Voyager token's up 120 or 12,000% on the year. They were up a significant amount more, especially when they were up here. I am bullish on Voyager just because there's a lot of boomers out there. Their roadmap is very good. I have to admit, I don't really need to look at it. I am bullish on them. I've already checked out ZCX. Very bullish on Unizen. I got into the IDO and sold 35% of them. Have 65%. I'm going to be doing a Discord group fairly soon. I'm probably going to wait a little bit. I want to at least wait till I have like 50k or 100k subs, but at this rate, like, subscribe, comment. I'm going to be there probably by next month or sooner, like 20 days. Why is the Doge pump scaring the market? I don't see the correlation. All right, so investors, these corporations are are scared because of Doge. Well, if you're just some normal guy that has a lot of money and you're used to the stock market, you're used to these normal types of it goes down a couple percent a day. This has been out for hundreds of years. Everything's okay. Everything's steady. My name is Fred. My name is John. Whatever. I just do the stock market all day, guys. They come to crypto and they're like, what the heck, this stock went up to $50 billion and it has no revenue, it has nothing, and everything's down because of it, because people are scared and these institutions aren't buying in and they're selling, and whatever the China FUD that happened where China shut off half their power, so Bitcoin hash rate would go down. Basically, if you do not know what Bitcoin hash rate is, it's something that affects the price if it goes down, especially the way that it did. And there was some information about Bitcoin laundering and a few other things that came out that night. It was very big. That's why you saw a little dip. But then Dogecoin pumped, and then that dip really never recovered. And these people are releasing this information to get a discount on Bitcoin and to get a discount on crypto. So just take that into consideration. So that was basically it. And people are going to be scared to invest if they're used to the stock market. That's where most of the money is. You're not seeing a lot of money in the crypto because people are scared of it. They don't understand it. They don't understand the use case. They don't understand how big it's going to be in the future. Okay. So I'm just going to end the stream there, guys. I'll do another one tomorrow morning. I just got a lot of stuff to do, and I don't see the stream being too productive. We'll do a productive one in the morning. Get tuned. Okay. Love you guys. All right. Like that video, subscribe. That's the end.